Okay, time to run some stocks. What is up? What is going on? You can see that GCAP kept limit down yesterday, so I'm gonna be watching this very closely. GCAP, the usuals. Yesterday, Bintai and Solution ran, so looking for continuation in momentum. Heng Yuan looks like it's gonna gap down. Supermax, Octave. Put it aside. Put Supermax on the side. Heng Yuan on the side. Gonna watch the pharmaceuticals for continuation and also GCAP for dip, because it looks like it's gonna open low. Double gap down. Study a bit on VivoCom. How did the double gap down end up last time? So limit down into gap down. Hopefully we can get any sort of rebound on it. It would be ideal. Hopefully it rebounds better than this. Where could it possibly rebound? It's about to, recap is about to open at around 8.30, 8 ringgit, 83 cents. I mean, so this could be the first, but it's gonna break past that. $7.30 could be a rebound. 8.10, I mean 81 cents could be a rebound. The previous support levels. $56. About 8.30 as well, yeah. Seems like it's not gonna gap down so hard anymore, closer to the market open. Anyone else that has potential? The look. Not nice. The rest don't look good at all. I'm just gonna let them be. Watch GCAP on the open. Get my buy order ready. Hope to see these stocks continue its momentum and shoot higher. Then at least we get some. Hope to get some breakout opportunities, and also hope to get some tips off of it after the extension. Let's put the orders up. Stock market open. GCAP gap down. Watching for it to dip more. Okay, strong rebound. See how Solution and Binta is doing. Gap downs all across the board. How about Supermax? Supermax gapped up. Okay. Not much volume though on the open. Watching GCAP to drop after this. A bit of buying, I expect it to drop. Surprisingly stronger than I had anticipated. Really huge volume as well. Maybe we can get a similar dip on Heng Yuan as we did the past few days. Just give it a few minutes to show us which direction the stock wants to go. GCAP. I'm still watching it for a bigger dip down to 73 cents. Let's see. Because it's super weak yesterday, as you can see. Just sold off and limit down yesterday. So I'm surprised that the buying is so strong right now. Okay, start to see sellers coming in. Orders are huge. 86.5 cents has big order. Solution and Bintai, very ugly. Not much volume today, so I'm just gonna let them be. Charts like these, when the candles go sideways without any direction, just leave them on the side. Don't bother trying. Don't try to guess which direction it wants to go. Just give it some time to let it tell you where it wants to go. Okay, GCAP. Low of the day is 820. First entry will be probably around 80 cents. We can dip down to 80 cents. Seems like it's holding this level still. Look at Top Glove, man. Even after releasing insane results, nothing happened. Nobody cares. The stock is just flat. Let's see if GCAP can give us. Will it give us the dip that we want? I'll just send alert first in case I'm looking at another stock and then it decides to drop or anything. See who's on the top gainers list this morning. HLT still moving strong. Nope. Just a little movement. Might just be another quiet day. Double top. Maybe now it would dip. Or will it have enough power to punch through the highs? Euro is dropping. What? Oh. Old alert. So just gonna ignore it. Might try to enter on the break of day high. I'm not sure. I mean, if it has enough buyers to push it over the day high after the red day, I don't know. There's a lot of resistance though. But let's see how. I mean, the volume that we have right now is crazy compared to yesterday, so we'll probably have enough volume to push past any of the resistance. Maybe I'll try to enter small at 91. It's not the perfect breakout, but it makes sense that if it has enough buyers. Look, first of all, the volume is insane. And there seems to be not too heavy resistance after 91 cents. I'm contemplating. I'm giving a small entry at 91. Looking for a burst through 93.5. Oh, I got a slight fill only. I did not get my size. That's unlucky. Maybe I'll get a fill on the way down. But my size fill, 50,000 shares on 91. Looking for it to break 93.5 and shoot up till $1 maybe. First target price is 94 cents. First target 94 cents. Then I'm gonna let go some of it at 94. If we can push over 94. We got 94. Can we get 94.5? Yep, we got 94.5. I sold a bit into 94.5. Just to lock in some profits. It's like a bit of rejection at 94. Let's see if we can hold the green to red level. Can we hold 94? Big sell at 94. Yep, we cleared 94. Now moving up. I'm gonna let go a bit more at 95 if we break 95. Oh, seems like we're rejecting it a bit. I let go a bit more at 94 just to reduce my size. Even though my size is already quite small, that's okay. I'm holding the rest until it hits maybe $1 or something. No rush to sell the remaining size. Stopping out at 93.5 if it drops that quickly. Selling a bit more, 96.5. Still holding 100 lots, really small size left. I'm gonna try to let the rest go at 98.5. And we cleared the remaining at 98.5. Okay, a quick breakout trade. Nice. Smooth, not much resistance at all. Probably should have held till 1, but I mean I hit my target, so caught the bonus, not gonna complain. Sized in smaller, only half size for this trade because it is not the perfect setup and I need to size in appropriately based on how good the setup is, right? Just to manage my risk. So quick 50,000 at 91 cents and then scaling out, selling a bit at 94.5 just to take profit. And then honestly this shouldn't have been a sell. I tried to cancel it, but oh well. Wanted to sell because I could see a bit of weakness, and then holding it, selling it, scaling out on the way up. Looks like it's gonna hit 1. But I don't think it will. I will be surprised. I think, okay, it broke 1. Cool, so yeah, I should have held and waited for my usual exit strategy, but can't expect it to happen. So a really quick trade on GCAP to start the morning. Very big buy order. You can see on the side here, 600,000 at 1 ringgit. Could have been a 4K trade if I held till 1. Linta and Solution still going sideways, so no clear direction yet. Every other stock looks like they're doing the same thing. Supermax, Top Glove, the range is so small, so 9-cent range. Let's have a quick look at the rest. Nothing significant, so GCAP will be our main player for the morning. If it can dip down to about 91 cents, I might try to pick up a bit of it. We'll see. Let's see. Now the sellers have, the volume has transferred to the sell side. It's huge volume on the sell. I'm watching the sell side. It is maintaining the 99 cents 1 ringgit zone though. This could just be a small little pullback. High of the day 101. Might look for an entry if it can show me volume and push up above 101. Because the volume on this stock is insane now. 15 minutes into the day and almost 50 million volume already. So I'm watching for a break of 1 first, and then I might enter at 101. Because the main resistance is stacking at 1 ringgit. It's bouncing between 1 and 99.5 cents. No, I do not trade the US or commodities. I only trade Malaysia Bursa. Watching it for a break of 101. See if it can clear 1 first. Can we break 101? Okay, I'm in 101 for the break. I'm trying to catch a really quick trade on this. So I'm planning to let it go at really quickly at 104. Looks like slight rejection. Slight pullback here. Might cut my loss. Wow, strong. I couldn't. It blew past my stop loss, man. Still haven't managed to cut my loss yet. A bit scary, but it's okay. Trying to exit the trade if I can. I sold a bit into 98, just taking quite a decent loss. I haven't sold the whole position yet. Watching to see if it has any sort of... I'm selling the rest of my position. Took a decent sized loss there, but still in the range of my risk, so not too big of a deal. Failed breakout. I tried to enter here and it instantly flushed. I tried to sell it at my stop loss, but it flushed so hard, so I missed it by not too bad. I missed it by 1 cent. I think that basically puts me at break even on the day, I think. So in this trade I made about 2.3. In this trade I lost about 1.5. Probably after commissions, just slightly green, but negligible amount. So I'm still watching it for 101, watching for a break of 101. See if we can catch the move up to the next resistance, 107. Not much volume there. Maybe up to 110. So just give it some time to pull back. Let it consolidate a bit. This was the second trade. Unlucky that it flushed so hard. Couldn't stop my loss in time. Took an extra 500. Took an extra minus 500 on that. Now it's slowing down a lot. Huge support at 98 cents. Gotta be patient and wait for the entry, wait for it to break. Let's just see who else is moving. Who else is moving today? Okay, solution is giving us some energy now, finally. But there's no entries yet. Give it some time. Let it push and then pull back, and then we can look for an entry. Looks like it's touching one now. Could potentially break 101. See if we can clear one first. Let's see if we can clear one and build a strong, accumulate enough buy orders to build a strong support. This is still bouncing back and forth between 1 and 99.5. Okay, watching for the break of 101. Watching. I want to see volume come in, and I want to see him clear 101. I want to see this 101 orders start to reduce and get cleared off. 300,000, 200,000. Okay, I'm in. I'm gonna hold a tight stop this time. A tighter stop, at least. Okay, we're in for the break of 101. Back in again. Hopefully it can punch through 105. I want to see it punch through 105. This is a huge sell order at 105. Can we punch through 105? A bit of selling is fine. Hopefully we have enough buying to maintain, to clear all these sellers. Decent order. Can we clear 105? Struggling to even struggling. It's struggling a bit. Hopefully we can maintain it. It's coming back down. Okay, let it move. Don't sell into fear. Just play the strategy. Just gotta play the strategy. Play it out. Still watching it for a break of 105. Wow. huge sell orders building at 103. Starting to look not so good. But I'm still holding. Giving it a bit more space. Giving it a bit more space. If not, I might have to stop out soon. If it doesn't clear 102 soon, I will stop out. Watching for any kind of buying that can come in. It's holding 101 pretty well. Can we break past 102? Looks like the selling has slowed down. Maybe this now is time for the buyers to come in. I want to see one. I'm stopping out. Managed to stop out at break even. Just taking a bit of commissions. So I'm probably plus minus 0 on the day now. Be right back. Okay, looks like it is holding this level, so but the it's like it managed to pull back a bit. I mean, it managed to buy up quite a bit of the shares. Oh well, I'm out of the trade, so see if there's any other opportunities. Maybe on solution if you can give us a consolidation. Now it's clearing. Wow. Yeah. Well, I guess we can only watch now. Maybe I shouldn't have stopped out so quick because my risk was 99 cents. But I stopped out and break even. There you go. Another reason to not sell into here and instead should play out your pattern. Because this could have been very solid gain here. But you never know lah. Looked like it was gonna fail. Hit 106, which would have been almost our target. Target of 107. It's a DIY broke 3 ringgit. Nice. It's getting quite extended as well, but you can see that there's always pullbacks. So if you're playing like the daily charters, these are such nice breakouts. You know, breakout here, breakout here. Breakout here, breakout here, another breakout over here. Chuck my orders, chuck my trades into an Excel and see. Calculate for good what is my where I'm standing for P&L on the day. Let's watch this stock, see whether it can give us a nice dip. Just gonna forget about Heng Yuan. Euro dipping a bit. Euro is still quite high. No wonder I set an alert for it. Bounce almost the same spot. 220. Yeah, almost the same spot. But the volume is so light. So as of now, I'm up $140. Oh my god. Basically break even on the day. Okay. Those were pretty okay trades. Could have stopped out better here. Could have played better here as well. But even if I held, it wouldn't have hit my target. So I'll still be... If I didn't sell earlier, I would still be holding right now. Premium. Oh wait. Wow. The gloves all flat line. So lame. It's a DIY. Good setup. Watching for consolidation for later in the morning or later in the afternoon. Potential trade. Overall, quite happy with the way I traded. Managed my size well. Didn't go in full size on a breakout that doesn't look too good, and especially on the downtrend stock. Just so happened that this was the rebound, so still took the shot. Then continuation. This could have entered slightly smaller. This one I entered full size already. So these two trades I entered full size, mainly because I built a bit of a cushion with the first trade. So even if I lost, like what happened, I would still be slightly green or break even at worst on the day. So basically this trade was on the house, not using the capital that I have already. This was risking money that I have not gotten, basically, from the morning move. Good stop out. Glad that I didn't try and hold, even though it did pull back up. I'm glad that I did not try to hold it because I've experienced so many of this, and I can always buy back in. Like I did, I bought back into 101 and I sold it out into 101 again when the breakout started to fail. The resistance was too high, and also maybe I should have held for one stop loss, but getting out is always better. Taking the safe route. You're currently watching, please help me hit the like button so that I can continue streaming, because I have a quota of 1 like per stream. If not, I'll stop streaming the next day. Yay, thanks. So I guess I'm streaming tomorrow since I got 1 like. Not much action. Very slow. I think GCAP is just gonna slowly grind up like this the whole day, and then at one point it will go down. That's how it usually goes for these kind of trash stocks. So, gonna do a quick run through. Donate, donate to my OnlyFans to join my. Number one fan, Honek. My number one fan, Honek. Doesn't look like there's much happening anymore. Volume is gone. Imagine if this trade worked out. It could have been so strong. Another 3 grand there. It's okay. Maintaining is always good. So for the rest of the day, I'll probably look at Pinta and Solution. If they don't break down too much, probably won't bother with the gloves. Just gonna leave it aside. Maybe Mr. DIY if he can bring in more volume, because the volume is a bit weak now. I want to see increasing volume like this. Like this. I want to see increasing volume instead of like random bursts of like one here, one here. Because this means someone is, one or two people is slowly accumulating. Instead of many buyers trying to come in. Let's see. Anything else? Any other stocks that would, for this GCAP, you mean this? Yeah, it's a bit short, but because the volume is so high, right? And I mean, clearly the momentum is there. I would still buy into this breakout. But in hindsight, shouldn't have entered so big. Same logic as this. The breakout isn't perfect, but I could see the momentum in the orders, right? I could see the orders maintain, like fight off the sell. Every time there's a sell-off, it manages to push it back up. That's why I entered half size on this move. I should have entered half size on this move as well, because there's almost no consolidation here. It's almost just a pullback. So on a quick pullback like this, that's why if you remember earlier I mentioned for this trade, I was only looking for a very quick scalp. I was looking to sell at 104 for this one. For this move here, if it continued, I was looking to sell at 104, because I know if it doesn't have a proper consolidation, right, that means most of the people that if it doesn't have a proper pullback or consolidation, most of the people that are holding, those were the people that bought here, they are already eager to sell. So I do not expect it to move up very high if it's off this move. So I mean the sizing was okay because I was aiming for smaller range. Because I was trying to ride the momentum and catch just a very small move, right? Just a 3-cent move. But for this one, at least it had a bit of a pullback, you know. But again, I should have entered half size here, because there's no proper, same logic as this, there's no proper pullback. So everybody who bought here, so I had the correct logic, just a bit early, right? So same logic as earlier. Those who bought on the way up here, probably very eager to sell already. So the moment it hit close to 105, 105 had a huge sell order. So it probably triggered most of the people holding over here, triggered them to sell their position. I mean, this is just a anomaly lah. You cannot predict this kind of rebound. So just play to the pattern. Play to the pattern, and doesn't matter if you miss a move, as long as you play to your strategy, then in the long run you will make money. It doesn't matter if you miss the one time, as long as you build the correct discipline to cut the trade when it's not going your way. You can always buy into another trade. So if you keep your losses here small, then it won't offset your wins so much. Okay, it's approaching 10. For GCAP, I'm not gonna try anymore because it just looks weird. Like there's no proper setup anymore. It's just slowly grinding up. I'm gonna move my alert up here in case it starts dipping. And I want to catch a dip, because there is a high chance that it starts to curl like this, and then it starts to go down. And then I might try to catch a dip buy on the levels that I pinpointed in the morning. So 8.30 or 80 cents, 8.30 to 80 cents. If you can maintain that range, I will try to enter. Ideally, entry about 73 cents. Bintai solution, if it can maintain, if I can see a consolidation into a move up, then there might be an entry. Mr. DIY as well was set an alert. So 306 is the high of the day, setting alert 304. Give a final run through of the market movers, those who move the most. Nope, HLT, ASCO. Check out the chart, breaking recent resistance. Looks like a breakout on the daily. Volume doesn't look too good. Setup doesn't look too good. So I'm just gonna let it be. I mean, if nothing else happens, I close today, break even basically. That's okay, that's fine. Yeah, doesn't look like there's much else on the scans today. Another slow day. 2 days in a row where I bounce back and forth around break even. Yesterday as well. Yesterday I traded Heng Yuan, quick dip on Heng Yuan. You can see here, a quick dip on Heng Yuan, but basically gave back most of my gains to this fail breakout. And looks like it broke out today, but whatever. And then today, 3 trades on GCAP. One here which failed, one here which failed as well. So losing 2 trades and still ending break even, that is a good day in my books. Didn't take any unnecessary trades. Didn't try to YOLO in at weird times. Managed to cut my loss. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream soon. If you have any questions, just drop it in the chat. If not, I'll be back again tomorrow morning, 9 AM for market open. Hopefully we can see some action to end the week. I'm break even today and basically break even yesterday. Today and yesterday I made a total of like 500 bucks. Which is less than how much I paid in commissions today. So but green day is still a green day, even though it's so tiny. Okay, watching Mr. DIY, watching Solution, watching GCAP for a dip. That's what I'm looking at today. So yeah, I'm gonna have to end the stream. See you guys tomorrow morning, same time, for live day trading again. Thanks for tuning in. Gotta play my disclaimer. Trading is risky. Please learn the strategy before you try and put real money in. Learn how to trade the strategy, learn why the strategy works. If you missed the stream, replay is available on my channel, so just look up for that. Okay, thanks for tuning in again. See you guys tomorrow.